this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and I am bringing you another planner video. Yay! I love planning, if you don't know that by now, because this is the only thing that's really been consistent on my YouTube channel. But thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. If you're new, welcome. I appreciate it. Um, it's been fun doing this YouTube channel, and I'd like to grow a little bit more, but if not, I still gonna upload these because it's been a really fun time uploading these videos for you. Please forgive my hands. They're a little rough right now. So I've been washing and cleaning and doing things, and I can't even find my lotion, so please forgive me. You know what? I said I wasn't going to do that. It is what it is. I'm trying to do my best, but at some point, I'm human, and it is what it is. So, as you can see, subjects down the side, dates across the top, home, work, Inspired Designs with Jay, WhimsiDaisi, and Impress, which is my hair care line. Again, this is a pink and gold and black theme, and I guess the whole theme for May has been pink. But again, I'm still using all the things. I really haven't bought anything except for, I think, a few months back, March or the beginning of April. I bought some books, some sticker books that were on sale at Joann's for 50% off, and I couldn't pass them up. They were the ones, the wrong collection that were on sale, and I just bought them up. I always thought the dolls were so cute and fashionable, and I love that. So I am just super excited about this spread. I love the golds. I'm more of a gold girl than a silver girl. Bronzy, gold, bright gold, muted gold, antique gold. I love gold. So let's get into it. Again, it's the Happy Planners, the teacher layout. This is May for May 25th through the 31st. And we got a few quotes here. It says, stay present. Guys, now is now. We have to live in the now. So stay in the present. The next minute or two will be now. So if you think of it in that manner, always stay in the now, because you don't know if you're going to get the next now. Stay present. Be present. Enjoy your life. It's present. It's a gift. Present. Be thankful for the moment that you have right now. Don't be anxious for the next minute. It's going to get there. Be present. Stay present. Like you're supposed to stay ready. Not getting ready, but stay ready. And this says, quiet the noise and you will hear peace. Stop having people yapping in your ear. If it don't concern you, leave it where it is. Find your quiet moment so you can have peace. If that means getting rid of people out of your life, things that don't bring you joy or happiness, get them out of your life so that you can hear the peace. There's nothing like peace of mind, body, and spirit. There's nothing like it. Once you have developed the I don't give a hoot kind of attitude, it don't concern me, I'm living my best life. I'm not trying to live for anybody else. You care for other people, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong on that at all. But at the end of the day, it's just you. At the end of the day, it's you. So you have to take care of you and your well-being and what that means to you. Okay, done with that. Love this. Be brave. Be bold. Be you. There it is. Be you. You got to be you. You can't be somebody else. You were given the body you were given, and the mind and the soul and the spirit. You can't be like the Joneses. We've all heard that growing up. Now it's being like the Kardashians. You have to be you and nobody else. Period. Okay, and what else do we have here? This one says fabulous. I love that. I love that. It's beautiful with them shades on. And she got on her cape and leopard and sunglasses looking just fabulous. And her heels, oh, those shoes are just, I don't know. They give me all kinds of life. And they're cute with their shades on and looking fabulous. And this one says, be you, be beautiful. So be beautiful. Beautiful. Just be you, but beautiful. Don't be ugly. Be beautiful. That whenever you go around, it just radiates out of your pores beauty and joy and happiness to where everybody wants to be around you. That's one of my goals, is just to radiate beauty, not physical beauty, but just inner beauty, joy and happiness and positivity, because people can pick up on your energy, whether negative or positive. So just be beautiful. Stay humble, work hard, and be kind. Always, always be kind and be humble. You don't have to broadcast to everybody what you got going on. The devil can hear. And not meaning that it's just a physical devil or whatever, spiritual devil or whatever. But other people can hear what you're saying. And sometimes their energy can block you from getting what you want out of life, because we all radiate energy. Some people are jealous, hateful, and want what you have, because they haven't come to a point of positivity and energy and big thinking and all of that, because they don't understand you, because you've become such a positive light that they try to dim you in every way that you can. So keep it to yourself. Humble down. Don't try to be boastful or anything like that. Work hard at what you're doing. Put it in action. Now, people take this the wrong way, working hard. It's action. You have to put things in motion. You have to propel yourself to the next level. And that's by working, by doing something. You know, people kind of take that work hard the wrong way, but it's the one foot in front of the other to get to where you need to be, putting the gas in your car so you can drive to the next location. That is what it is. It's not that you sweating and, I mean, sometimes it is sweat equity, but for the most part, you're putting one foot in front of the other to get to the next point. And being kind, it doesn't take anything to smile. It doesn't take anything to have eye contact and acknowledge someone else, because you'll never know what that will do to that person by just doing those small gestures, saying hello, being present. acknowledging the other person if you're walking down the street or down the aisle at the grocery store. You know, it doesn't take much to do that. We all get caught up in our own little world, and we never know what other people are feeling or doing. Just something as simple as eye contact or a head nod or a hi or something small like that. You never know what that will do to someone else's spirit. So that's my soapbox for today. Maybe one more, because this says can't stop, won't stop. You got to keep going. You got to keep going. Even if it feels like you're not moving and you're just spinning your wheel and you're on that hamster in that wheel and it's just spinning and spinning and spinning, it's not going anywhere. You have to just keep going. You have to, because you won't get to your end goal until unless you stop. If you stop, you're not going to get there. You have to continue to go and get to that end goal and say to yourself, I did it. I did it. I did it. When no one else believed in me, I did it. So that is my soapbox for today. I'm grateful for the weekends. Again, the weekends are just projects that I have to do, and I plan for next week if anything needs to be planned. These are shopping. This one says errands, and this one says treat myself. And yeah, this is my planner spread for the week, and I am super excited for this planner spread. I believe this is Labor Day, and super excited about it. And this brings May to the close of the month, and I hope your month was a fabulous one. You accomplished all the things that you needed to accomplish in the month of May, that you started planning out what you're going to do to propel you to the next thing. And yeah, I just hope everyone had a great month of May. I sure have. And if you like my spreads, please subscribe. Please give me a like. Please share my videos and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'm trying to stay on task for Mondays and Fridays for uploading. And if you like my planner spreads, I'd love to have you here. And if you like what I do on with Inspired Designs with Jae, I'd love for you to continue on with Inspired Designs, which is home decor, DIY, home items, and fashion, which I haven't put up any fashion as of yet, but summer looks are coming. If you'd like to see something sooner, please let me know. And I'd like to show you guys more of what I do in my businesses. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video. And it is my goal to always inspire you to design your life with style. Have a great and prosperous day. Be productive and make it happen. Have a good one.